As the COVID-19 pandemic persists, entrepreneurs are cashing in on the idea of home delivery. Now, on this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a Courier company that identified a need in the market and moved quickly to satisfy the demand. Here is Andrew Lately.
City Trends Courier Services is a delivery company based in Portmore, St. Catherine. Co-owner Nicola Barrett says she has been thinking about starting the business for years, but she lamented that certain crucial components like finding capital were a challenge. Ms. Barrett says she eventually took a leap of faith.
One day, one of my friends just said, Nika, get up now, we're going to buy the bike. And I said, I sit my camera, and I said, get up, no, we're going to buy the bike now. And I just... From there, we just said, all right, we're going to push towards this.
The business now has 4 riders and is expanding outside of the Portmore area. But just like any other startup company, there are challenges.
Majority of the times, you just have to, like, you as the boss, just take the losses at times, because you can't really raise every minute to the customers, because they must say, most of the times when you see the losses is like if the riders go over in town. So what we did was just change up the prices a bit, because we couldn't help but to change the prices with the town.
And that's not the only obstacle.
You have some customers that order something, the rider come, either they don't answer the phone or they say they don't work, but I want it.
And what happens at that point?
The rider tries to sell it back, or we just have to, sometimes I buy it for me and my family. If like they use a specific number, we'll block them so they can't contact us no more, or just can't really prevent that. Cause you have this one person, they will use all a different number and contact us, so we can't really get around that.
But the entrepreneur says her business model is still sustainable because she has diversified her income.
I have a lot of contracts with like businesses, so that would keep it up, because like small business and restaurants and stuff. For the restaurant, they use us like, even for the holiday, they use it like 10 times, we do like 10 deliveries for them.
With that assurance, the courier service operator is eyeing expansion.
I plan on expanding big, like having an official office, the website, and everything. But you know, everything takes time. If you're home, you don't want to leave, you want something from point A to point B, we can get that done. Anything at all you want us to do. Somebody even sent a rider to go buy ice cream.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.